Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to speak about how you can make money through Binance Simple Earn. And I already made this video for a long time ago, but a lot of people have been requesting me to remade the video because maybe there's some changes that have been happening on the Simple Earn. So I've decided to put this, and it's gonna be a very fast thing because nothing changes, guys, just some simple things that are changing. So without wasting time, I'm gonna go to it. So you wanna go to Binance Simple Earn. First of all, before going to invest there, make sure that your money is on the spot wallet. Okay, if you don't know how to transfer it, there's a video inside my Binance playlist of which says that how to deposit money on Binance. You'll go and see that video. It will direct you on how you can transfer the money. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go very fast. You want to go and invest on the Binance Simple, and you don't see it over here. Okay, so what you need to do, you can just go and press on this more icon to go and get it. Oh, it's one of the best things. So you cannot waste much time is through searching it over here. Okay, on the search bar. So I'm gonna go for the search bar so that I can go and search the Binance Simple Earn, and I'm going to write that simple. You see, already it's over here. The option is already Simple Earn. And the most good thing about Simple Earn is that you'll be obtaining income each and every day, guys. And within Simple Earn, we have two methods of investments. Okay, we have the fixed ones, and we have the fixed ones, and we have the flexible ones. Okay, so the flexibles, when you see that the certain kind of investment, for instance like this one, it says that it has, for instance, one has both flexible and fixed. Okay, if you see flexible, that means that when you invest your money there, you can withdraw it anytime. But once it's fixed, doesn't mean that you can't withdraw it anytime. But when you withdraw it before the time agreed, you just get your money and you won't get the profits. That's what it means. Okay, so there's no any chance of losing your money when you invest in the Simple Earn. The drawbacks of Simple Earn is that it just offers you small profits. That's the drawbacks. That's the only drawbacks, guys. So here we are on the page. So how do you invest? There is a lot of money. Maybe you don't see the currency of which you have. What you have to do, maybe you're holding USDT, you're holding BTC. What you have to do, just come here and search on the search bar. For instance, I'm holding Bitcoin. I'll just write BTC. You see, and it will, when I'm just writing, it will complete to search. So BTC, here it is. You see, this is BTC, Bitcoin. Now it tells you that it will provide 0.19% plus 0.25%. What does that mean? That means that the amount of which you'll be receiving the income, it ranges on that such kind of percentages, and it's a flexible investment, which means you can invest and you can withdraw anytime that you need. Okay, so I'm going to click on the subscribe. If you want to invest, okay, and you're holding BTC, you click on this button here, subscribe, and after clicking on the button subscribe, this is what will open. Here you have to put the amount. Sorry, increase Binance. I don't have BTC here, that's why it tells me this, but it won't tell you if you have a certain currency of which you're investing. So see how beautiful this is. So if you need to invest, the minimum investment, guys, okay, the minimum invest is this one. You see, it's fellow, anybody can just invest on Bitcoin. You see how simple it is. And I'm going to show you the USDT on the part of dollars, because most of people are focused on dollars. Let me go on the part of dollars. Most of people are focused on the part of dollars. So let me remove this. I'm going to search for sorry for keep searching this USD. Okay, so USD, I will see. So USDT, this is what we do use mostly here. So USDT is the first option over here, and I'm going to click on the button subscribe. It's also a flexible investment. After clicking on the button subscribe, this is how it is. So from, guys, look how beautiful this. If you have $0.1, you can start investing. Where can you find such an opportunity? Why don't you take this thing? So for instance, I have $500. I'm going to write them there. Maybe $5,000. So after writing that, you will come down over here. Okay, you will read here what tells you that each day, according to investment, this is what you'll be getting per each day, guys, per each day. Okay, so this is what you'll be getting. Now for instance, let's say maybe somebody wants to put $1, just a $1. See, let's just test and see. Just a $1. Okay, $1, just like that. See, that's telling me that I know I don't have money this time inside my balance account. So for $1, guys, this is what you'll get for a day. So this is the amount of dollars that you'll be obtaining for a day, as you can see down here. Let me show you clearly. This is what you will get per day if you invest only a single $1, guys. And the percentage of which you'll be getting is 1.5%. 5%. Now that's 1.5%. It's calculated in all of your money which you invested. Now after being calculated, it's divided in 30 days. It's a monthly, so you'll be obtaining income until when the month overs, and it will stop investing until maybe you come and reinvest again for a second time. Now there's one cool option that most of people, I advise them to use, is this one called auto subscribe. This called auto subscribe. Why should you use auto subscribe here? What means that wherever you get some profits, the amount is already taken to be reinvested again, which means you'll be increasing your profits of day to day. So until there, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and see you on the next one. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please share it to your friends, give it a thumbs up. It will really be helpful, guys. So see you on the next one. Peace, guys. Peace.